worker will come over to the touch rider, and there's a button in the back that they're going to press. And that's for the poll worker, so that no one can just come up to a machine and just enter any code. You know, the poll worker has a white code. For our purposes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would change from election to election. And then they'd create a ballot access code. Then they would determine from the registration which precinct the voter is. For illustration purposes, we'll say they're in precinct 407. We'll hit OK. We're going to verify that precinct 407 is the correct precinct, and then we're going to print the code. And they'll be printing the code over here. So that code is just an access to the ballot. It's not tied into the voter in any manner. So the voter can then come to the unit and either using the touch screen, or they could use a stylus or any dual input device that they might have to use to vote. So they can hit 4, 5, 9, 2, 3. They'll hit accept. And that's going to unlock the ballot. Then they would verify that this is the actual county or precinct that they're interested in, for our purposes 407, and they can begin voting.